Welcome back to Debugging Point. In this video we are going to take up some questions on arrays and pointers. So let's begin. The first question is that let's assume integer takes 4 bytes and integer pointer takes 8 bytes of memory. Alright, so given we have an array which contains 5 elements and it is an array of integer type, and we have an integer pointer, so it is simply given this value. Since integer pointer is of 8 bytes, so simply this value becomes 8. Similarly, since an integer is of 4 bytes, we have 5 integers we have 5 integers, an array of 5 integers. Therefore, a total of 20 bytes would be occupied by the array. Therefore, this should give 20 as the output. So A, option 1 is the correct answer. Moving on, we have to tell the correct output for this. So see, we are given an array of 4 elements: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, now we know that an array is very similar to an integer pointer. Alright, so if we are given an array A is equals to this, so we know that A has a value as that of the starting address of the 0th index, which means, say if this has an address of 700, so the value of A is 700. Alright, therefore star means it would dereference it would go to 700 and dereference the value by reading 4 bytes from this address, that is 700 address. Therefore the first value that would be printed is 1. Now A is actually a kind of pointer to the 0th index, so A plus 1 will be the pointer to first index, so this is A plus 1. That means on dereferencing it, we would get the value stored inside it, which is 2. Alright, moving on, assume that the address of 0th index of array A is 200. Alright, we are given an array of which has 6 elements, out of which 3 are known, which is 1, 2 and 3, and the other 3 would be having some garbage value which we don't know. Alright, this would have some garbage, this would have some garbage, this would have some garbage, so it is an array of with 6 elements with 6 integers. Alright, now the 0th index of array A is at address 200, so this is at address 200. Alright, now the value of A, as we know that for the case of integers, for the case of integer array, the value of A and ampersand A would be absolutely the same. Therefore this as well as this both would print 200. Now why will the first one print 200? Because when we see out A, what the compiler will do, it will look through the symbol table. Alright, it will find an entry for A. It will see that since int A is an integer array, therefore it will have multiple values, so there is no one particular value which can be assigned corresponding to A. Hence, rather than assigning any value, it assigns the address to cout A. Therefore the value printed is 200. And for the ampersand, we know that what happens is compiler looks through the symbol table, it finds whatever is the address and it simply prints that address. I hope it is clear. Now moving on to the next question. Assume that the address of 0th index of array A is 200. Alright, what is the output? Okay, so we know that the starting address is given to be 200. Alright, so a will have value 200. So the value of a plus 1 would actually be 204, and the value a plus 2 would actually become 208. A is the address. Alright, so a plus 1 would be 204. A is more or less like a pointer, which we have discussed earlier. So with pointers we know that on incrementing them by 1, they actually move to the next memory location. So then if we are currently at 200, so on incrementing the pointer by 1, it moves to the next location, which is 204, and on incrementing it twice, it moves one more memory location ahead, which is 208. Hence the answer is 208. Though a is not exactly a pointer, but we have discussed that it more or less behaves like a pointer. Alright, moving on. Assume that the address of 0th index of array is 200. So what is the output of this thing? Alright, so we know that a will have the starting address, which is 200. So this address will be stored into this pointer. So now b is a pointer which will be pointing to the 0th element. Alright, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we'll be having 3 more garbage values. Alright, because there are a total 6 elements in the array. So it will be pointing to 0th index. The pointer b will be actually pointing to 0th index. Alright, so b of 2. Now how we know that b is a pointer, but how the compiler will actually interpret this is that compiler will do b plus 2 and then it will dereference it. Yes, so the compiler will convert this into this and then it will dereference it. So on doing this, b plus 2, we are actually dereferencing this value. See, b is this, b plus 1 becomes this, and b plus 2 becomes this. That means on dereferencing b plus 2, we will actually get the value 3, that is the value which is stored on index 2 of the array. Hence the output would be 3. This is the correct answer. Alright, moving on. Assume that the address of 0th index of array A is 200. What is the output for? Alright, so we know that a integer array A more or less behaves like a pointer. Alright, so a will have a value 200, which is the starting address of the 0th index element of the array. So on doing dereferencing this, we get the 0th index value of the array. That means we'll get value 1. Alright, and on doing a plus 4, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one which will get, hence 5 would be printed. I hope this is clear to you. Let me explain this question once again. See, a behaves more or less like a pointer. Alright, initially the value of a will be 200. Since we know that address of a, the value of a, as well as the address of 0th element or the 0th indexed element of the array are all the same thing for in case of integer arrays. Alright, so on doing star a, we'll actually get this first element as the output, and on doing a plus 4, we'll actually get the element at 4th index of the array. Alright, moving on. See, this is a multiple choice question. We have to tell the correct answer. Alright, so we are given an array. Alright, or okay, so this will actually lead to an error. Now pause the video and think for some time, why will it happen? I hope you have solved it. Now let me elaborate it. See, on the second line there is a statement a plus plus. Actually a plus plus is an invalid statement. See, we know that a is an array, and in the symbol table we have an entry corresponding to a, like this. Alright, it is an integer of array and it would have be having some address, let's say 200. I am taking this address hypothetically. Alright, see, the value of a actually comes from the symbol table. Alright, so this value, the value of a, can be read, but it cannot be manipulated or overwritten by performing any arithmetic operations. Thus, performing any such operation is absolutely invalid. Thus, it will give you an error. I hope you found this video helpful. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.